Generate figures as much as these, or even these. Dedicating only 1 hour a day, Monday through Friday, without having to risk any of your money starting with zero. Literally, only 1 hour a day, risking none of your money. And that is exactly what I'm gonna show you inside this video. I'm gonna be explaining to you the basics, literally like if you're gonna be starting from zero all the way to 100. You don't even have to know what a Forex pair is, a pip, what is Forex, nothing. I'm gonna take care of you in this video. And I'm even gonna explain how I took some of these winning trades that generated figures just like these for me. This video is for you if you're looking to learn the most profitable skill ever. You want to start a business with little to no money. You want to get anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 a week as a beginner using my simple strategy. And also if you want to learn how to master your whole entire psychology, 0 from 100, because psychology is a very, very key component to this. This video is going to teach you the right way to get started. Just delete all of the noise that's out there on YouTube. There's just people that explain to you so many complicated things that makes no sense. So this video, whether you're a beginner or an expert, it's gonna be the perfect way to start. And I really wanna do this video because I wanna give you guys the tips that I wish I had at the beginning. I wanna help you guys be able to find financial freedom, have the time and space to do whatever you want. And the point of all this trading is so you can live the life that you really want. So you can have the power of choice in doing whatever you want, whenever you want. And the way that I got all this crazy stuff and live this lavish lifestyle is by swing or day trading in the foreign exchange market, also known as Forex trading. And as I've told you guys in the past, in order to have this, you don't need to have money, spend more than an hour a day in front of the computer. You don't have to quit your job. You don't have to have a degree. You don't need to be a professional in mathematics. You don't have to be all day on the computer. There's a big misconception that people think, oh, if I want to trade or be involved on the markets, I have to be in front of the computer all day. That is false. I probably spend 1 hour or 35 minutes a day in front of the computer max when I'm trading. Literally, all you need is a phone or a computer and you can get profits like these. Oh, and one last thing before we start, you're probably wondering who I am and why I have this type of authority to teach you this kind of stuff. And the answer is I have multiple videos in my YouTube channel where I teach you to make anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 a week with my strategy. I also tell you my story how I went from Dunkin Donuts, where I was literally working at Dunkin 5 years ago, to now becoming a successful day trader in this space. And also my most recent video where I made $110,000 in one single day trading, where I just recently broke my record for $60,000 in one day. And also leading a community with over 400 students who are in probably very similar condition to yours, where they generated figures like these, or even these. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So to start from the basics, what is Forex? So Forex is short for foreign exchange. So the foreign exchange is a market where you're either buying or selling of currencies, while the stock market, you're dealing with shares or units or owning a company and all that stuff. When you come to the Forex market, you don't own anything. You're essentially betting that one price is going to go up, or you're essentially betting that price is going to go down. So let's say, for example, Euro USD, you're not going to buy the euro and then sell the dollar. You don't own any tangible currency. You're just digitally betting that price is going to go up or that price is going to go down. So when it comes to trading Forex, you have a ton of more benefits than trading stocks. The fees are a lot lower. You have flexible hours because it's 24/5, so you can either trade in the morning, in the afternoon, later at night. You can literally trade whenever you want because it's 24/5, but there's obviously specific sessions which are the best ones to trade. More on that later during the video, so make sure you stick to the end. There's so much more opportunity to make money versus the stock market. You're literally moving 6.3 trillion every single day compared to the stock market, which compares nothing to that. So what is a currency pair? I'm sure you guys have seen Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP USD, and to the random person, they probably think that I'm talking Chinese, but this is actually a very simple way to look at it. So whenever you have, let's say for example, Euro USD, you have the euro versus the dollar. So essentially it is the euro getting strong or the dollar getting weak. These two currencies together make a currency pair. So let's say on Euro USD you want to buy, you're basically betting that the euro is going to get stronger against the dollar. This can be either for an hour, for a couple of days, for a week. So basically when you buy Euro USD, you're betting that the euro is going to get stronger than the dollar. Whether that's for a minute, for 10 minutes, for an hour, however long it is, you're just betting that it's going to get stronger. Let's say you're selling Euro USD, the currency pair, you're betting that the dollar is going to be stronger than the euro for the next hour, 30 minutes, day, however long it is. So you put both of these together, you have euro, which is the base, and then you have the USD, which is then the quote. So when can you take a trade? So you can realistically take a trade from the second the market opens. So markets open Sunday 5 p.m. EST, and then they close at 5 p.m. EST on Friday. So you have trading opportunities from the second the market opens all the way till it closes. It is open 24/5, but there is a specific time zones that move a lot better, which are New York session and London session. And I highly recommend